Okay, hi, Mercedes Vito 2007, two more videos before this till we got to the final episode, and this is the company that did it, hopefully. So, Autotronics, there's the address, if you want to make a note of that or screenshot it or whatever. This is the bill. Where are we? There we go, £294. Alright, can you see that alright? Yeah. There's the account numbers. There we go. So this is the item they got back. Focus that. This came today. It took probably, I would say roughly, we included the weekend, a 4-day turnaround. But I think you can get it back pretty quick. Oh, I'm not going to watch. Hold on. Okay, so there we go. Sent it off to get checked by somebody else. They're fine. They did the job, and they said the barrel's gone. So I rang we contacted this company. They came back to us, said they can fix it. So I said, oh, okay then. But they forgot to put the screws back in. That's an interesting one. Wonder if they're in the packet. Okay, I'm not going to worry about that. They've got their own stickers on and everything anyway, so it's all warranted. Okay, so the fault was intermittent. It wouldn't turn over. The key would get stuck. Nothing would happen. It would be dead, and the next minute it would work. Then it'd be dead. Then next minute, so sent it away. We're going to go and test it now. So I'm going to put it all back together, and I'll bring you lot with me to have a look at it and see how we get on. Okay, that's in focus. They can only get in one way round. So let's fit them in. Alright, if I can remember which way round they were in. So this little one at the back goes in here because it can't go any other way. Where are we? Make sure you're in focus. And I believe they've all got little lips on them, and a certain way they go in, and they can't go any other way. They don't fit in any other hole apart from the one that you got them out of. Okay. So we're at the road noise, and the last one is there because the other one is that's it. That's simple. It's that easy. Okay, and then you're pushing back in gently. Another piece yet. Hold on a sec. Right, so before you put him back in, sorry folks, this goes on. There's a certain way round, so it lines up with here. You see that? That goes on like that, and that fits in. And then you want to damage it, so be careful. Okay, so it goes in slightly sideways, okay? So if you look at it, so the big part is just slides down there between there. Alright, and then this goes on. And I'm hoping this will work. You've been stuck without a vehicle for some time. So I just get a normal screwdriver, and then you see what I'm doing? I'm just tossing this around. That's it. And then the last one is the clock, but there's no need to do that yet. We're going to grab the keys and give it a go. Okay, fingers crossed. Now it should just go straight in and work. Okay. Oh, I've got to try it. Make sure we're in neutral. Oh, jumping started for a while. Let's try again. Oh, happy sound, happy sound. Let's try the other key. Now, what they said was they could fix it, and they said, the other person said the barrel was broken. When I rang this company up, there was no worries about it or whatsoever. They just turned around and said, yep, send it to us. I said, well, this, and they went, send it to us. And she said, if it doesn't work, we can't get that to work, we will fit an emulator. I remember emulators when I was playing with computers, but let's see. Oh, what a beautiful sound. I'm not waiting for the heater plugs to come in. Get impatient. Right, let's get it all back together, and hopefully it keeps running. If this helps anybody, give this company, it's online, Autotronics, there we go, sorry, it's all online, focus that, so sales at autotronics.co.uk or www.autotronics.co.uk, and they didn't even flinch. They said, send it to us, just send it to us, we'll fix it, and they have, hopefully. Yes, take care. If you enjoyed the vid, please give it a thumbs up and a like, and we'll catch you in the next one. All the best. Bye. Sorry, just to finish off, going to fit the lighting module back in. So grab this. It can only go in one way, like it said. So can you see that? Let me get this around. Get it in focus. There we go. Like so. Let's try to have a look. Okay, push it in. Oh no, come on Marcus. And then this little lever goes up, and then we're in. Well, let's turn it around that way. Zoom out, sorry. Okay, turn it around the right way, put him in. Now these were broken before, but you've got a couple of screw holes, so I'm just going to put a little bit of washer on them. Oh, come on, camera. Okay. Funny light tonight. There we go, 2 little screw holes.